Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem I found online today, it's find the greater. 3/4 or 5/6. Okay, you got a couple ways you could solve this. Okay, they have different denominators. Okay, one's got a 4, one's got a 6. You could convert it that they both have common denominators, which would be, on this case here, it'd be 12. So you can convert them to 12s if you wanted. Okay, and that way you could do it. You could convert it to decimals if you know the decimals real good in your head. You know that 3/4 is 0.75. Or I got another way. Okay, let me show you this way. Okay, this is pretty neat. You got 3/4, and then you got 5/6. Okay, you actually multiply. This is the first number, 3. You multiply it by the fourth number, okay, which is 6. Okay, that gives you 18. Now the next one, you multiply the 4 times the 5 is 20. Which number is greater? The 20 is greater, so it looks like this. Okay, so your 3/4 is just like this. 3/4 is less than 5/6. And that was all there was to it. So that was a pretty easy way too. Okay, you take the first number, you multiply times the fourth number. And that'll be your first number on the left-hand side. And then you do the opposite with number 2 and number 3. The 4 times the 5, you got 20. And which is greater? The 20 is greater. So that means the 3/4 is less than the 5/6. Okay? So, because on this here, like I said, you could find a common denominator by which would be 12. But what happens if it was a real odd duck type number? You know, like 5/33s. Okay? You might say, shoot, what's 4 and 33? How are these related? You know, it might not be as easy. And it might not be as easy 5/33s to convert into a decimal either. Okay, so this is a real quick way to do it. Okay, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, because the more people that subscribe, the more students that will see this. And students might see this on a quick quiz someday, you know, to see which fractions are greater. Okay, see what their knowledge is on that. Okay, and this might help them. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.